Alright, good afternoon, Carnarvon. Just here with a very nice catch today. We found, got a call from a couple on Robinson Street, one of the plantations there. Said they had a few snake skins underneath one of their chest freezers. So I visited the property not long ago and we found not one snake but two snakes underneath the fridge, and we smartly grabbed those up. So here's one of the beauties. So we got a fully grown children's python, they're called now, that recently had a name change from Stinson's python through to children's python. Here's a beautiful fat girl, I think. Apparently they were fighting the other day with a bigger male that was around. So this is obviously a beautiful fat female, this one, obviously pregnant. So I'm hoping that I can put her somewhere that she's going to have her babies and make some more beautiful children's pythons for Carnarvon. So I'll just put this one away, put this one back in the bush. That one can go for a little crawl into the bush. And that one's going away, and we'll see if we can get this other one out. And back into the bush also. So here's the second one. And this one here is also nice and fat, as you can see. And the other one's disappeared now. It's again, guys, these are our most common species of snake that we get here. Absolutely gorgeous. They do not bite. They're very, very hesitant to bite. And we do encourage people to leave these around the home if you haven't got kids or pets, because they do take care of your rodent problems and keep the rodents down here in Carnarvon. Okay, I'm going to put this one away, back out in the bush where the other one went, and put this one down and see where it wants to go. So it's not very often we find two of the same species of snake underneath any type of furniture. Again, fridges are their preferred space, for the reason being they get some water from underneath fridges, and the actual rats and mice actually like to go into the fridge because it's nice and warm and there's water available to them there also. So you can see how good snakes can actually hide under the rubble. You can't even see where the snake is actually going now. Okay, Carnarvon, that's it. As I said, snake season has officially begun. So please just be mindful. Not only are we going to get the pythons, but we're going to get our venomous snakes. We've already had one western brown for the start of the season and a few other sightings. But other than that, keep safe everyone. Thank you.